Hi kids, today we are doing lesson number 24, which is السوق المركزي, which means the central market. So now let's start with the lesson. So in the first picture we see the girl with her mother. So let's read it. تذهب نهلة مع أمها إلى السوق المركزي. So Nahla went with her mother to the central market. The next picture. So mother is saying khubz, which means bread, and the Nahla is saying chocolate, which means chocolate. So al-ummu tada'u al-khubza fil araba. So the mother put the bread in the trolley. Wa nahlatu tada'u al-chocolate. So Nahla put the chocolate. So in the third picture, we see the girl saying halwa, which means sweets, and mother is saying tomatim, which means tomatoes. So al-ummu tadau al-tomatim. So the mother puts the tomatoes. Wa nahla tadau al-halawa. So Nahla is putting the halwa or the sweets. Now in the fourth picture, we see the mother saying laham, which means meat, laham. And the girl is saying samaka, which means fish. So al-ummu tada'u al-laham. So the mother put the meat. Wa nahla tada'u al-samaka. And Nahla put the fish. The next picture, we see the girl saying durra, which means corn. And mother saying sabun, which means soap. Al-ummu tada'u al-sabun. So the mother puts the soap, and Nahla wa nahlatu tada'u durra, and Nahla put the corn. So the next picture, the mother is saying ma hadha, which means what is this? So al-ummu ta'khudhu al-khubza wa tomatim wa laham wa sabun. So the mother took the bread, the tomatoes, the meat, and the soap. The next picture, the mother saying, Ana la uridu al-chocolate, arje al-samaka wa dhurra wa halwa. So mother saying, Ana la urid, which means I do not want chocolate. Return it. So return. So I will return the fish, the corn, and the sweets. So we see al-ummu la turid al-chocolate wa halawa. Here la turid al-samaka wa dhura. So the mother does not want the chocolate, the sweets. She does not want the fish and the corn. Last picture we see Nahla تضع الشوكولات وحلوى والذرة على رفي وتضع السمك في الثلاجة. So Nahla put the chocolate, the sweets and the corn on the shelf and put the fish in the refrigerator. So now let's look at the vocabulary. The first one, السوق المركزي, which means the central market. The next picture, dhurra, which means corn, dhurra. Khubz, khubz, which means bread. Tomatim, tomatim, which means tomato. Laham, laham, which means meat. Sabun, sabun, which means soap. Sabun. Chocolate, chocolate, which means chocolate. Halawa, halawa, which means sweets. And araba, araba, which means trolley. So in the next page, we are going to learn about ma, which means with, and ila, which means to. So we can see in the first picture, يذهب طارق مع جده إلى السيرك. So which means Tariq is going with his grandfather to the circus. So the question is, مع من يذهب طارق? So with whom? مع من means with whom is Tariq going? So the answer is مع جده, with his grandfather. إلى أين يذهب? To where is he going? إلى السيرك. So the next one, تذهب نهلة مع أمها إلى السوق المركزي. So Nahla is going with her mother to the central market. So the question will be مع من تذهب نهلة? With whom is Nahla going? So the answer is مع أمها, with her mother. So إلى أين تذهب? To where is she going? إلى السوق المركزي, to the central market. So in the next way we have to fill up the answers. So the third one, يذهب حسام مع أخته إلى المكتبة. So Husam is going with his sister to the library. So the question is مع من, with whom يذهب حسام, is Husam going? So he is going with his sister. So we have to say مع, with أخته, with his sister. إلى أين يذهب, to where is he going? Where is he going to? So we know he's going to the maktaba. So we have to write إلى المكتبة. The next picture we say تذهب نورة مع أسرة إلى شاطئ البحر, which means Noora is going with her family to the beach. So the question is مع من, with whom is Noora going? تذهب نورة, so she's going with her family. So مع, with الأسرة, with her family. إلى أين تذهب, to where is she going? إلى شاطئ البحر, to the beach. Then the fifth one, يذهب بدر مع جدتي إلى المطعم. So Badr is going with his grandmother to the restaurant. So the question is مع من يذهب بدر, with whom is Badr going? So we know he's going with his grandmother. So we have to say مع, with جدتي, with his grandmother. إلى أين يذهب, so to where is he going? إلى المطعم, to the restaurant. The last one, تذهب المعلمات مع أطفال إلى حديقة الحيوانات. So المعلمة, which means the teacher, is going with the children to the zoo. So the question is مع من تذهب المعلمة, with whom is the teacher going? So she's going with the children. So we have to say مع الأطفال. إلى أين تذهب, to where is she going? إلى حديقة الحيوانات. So she's going to the zoo. In this page we are going to learn أين أضع, which means where should I put. أضع is I put and أين is where. So we have to reply is ضع. ضع means to put. Basically it is like a command. So put. And for the feminine we say ضعي. We have to add the ya extra, which means you put to the girl. Okay. So the first one is already done for us. Aina adau al-kitab. So the boy is asking to his mother, where should I put the book? So the mother is saying, Da'a al-kitaba ala rafi. Put the book on the shelf. So it's a command. Da'a. So the next picture, Aina adau as-samaka. So the girl is saying, where should I put the fish? Da'i as-samaka fi thallaja. So put the fish in the fridge. So because she's a feminine, she's a girl, we have to add the extra ya. And for the boy, we didn't add the extra ya. The next picture, we have to fill it ourselves. So we have to say, Aina adaw al-tabak. So where should I put the plate? And the answer is, Da al-tabaka ala tawila. Put the plate on the table. The next one, the girl is asking, Aina adaw al-ta'am. So where should I put the food? So mother is telling, Da'i al-ta'am ala nar. So put the food on the fire, on the stove, basically. So the last one, Aina adaw al-waraka. So the boy is saying, where should I put the paper? So the mother is saying, Da'a al-waraka fi salla. So put the paper in the basket. So thanks for watching.